Good morning, students. Students, today we will discuss lesson 23 of geography about the resources. Students, just see this. I have made a flow chart here. So, let's discuss this topic about the resources with the help of this flow chart. What do you mean by the resources? So, means anything on the earth that is necessary for the survival of human beings and satisfies its human needs is called resources. So, with the passage of time, humans developed different techniques to convert these natural resources into useful articles that could satisfy their every need. So, resources, natural resources, man-made resources, and human resources. So, what are natural resources? Means that are found on the earth and that can be used without much alteration, that are called natural resources. For example, like water, air, and fruit that can be used directly, while minerals have to be separated from their ores. We get petrol, diesel, and wax from crude petroleum after refining. So we can say that most of the natural resources provided with the raw material, and we have to process these raw material into a useful product so that are fit for human consumption. And natural man-made resources, next is your natural resources may be divided into two. It is renewable and non-renewable. So what are renewable resources? Means that are also called inexhaustible resources and that have the capacity to reproduce, regenerate or renew by the natural resources with a short span of time. For example, solar energy, air, water, plants, animals and human beings that are the best example of such resources. And some of these resources are unlimited like sunlight, water and wind. And next is your non-renewable resources. What are non-renewable resources? Means the resources which are available only in fixed amount. They do not get replenished by the natural resources. For example, coal, natural gas, petroleum and minerals like iron and copper. So next is man-made resources. What are man-made resources? Means the resources are created by human beings from the materials available available in the environment. This is the meaning of the man-made resources or human-made resources. Machine, tools, buildings and other infrastructure, that all are the examples of the man-made resources. Technology is also a human-made resource. Next is human resources. Human beings are the most important resources of the world. Through their knowledge and skills, they can make the best use of the natural resources. They can discover, exploit, and convert the available or potential resources into a useful product. So, therefore, we can say that if any country wants to progress, it should first develop a human resources. So students, I hope you have understood today's topic about the resources. Thank you.